It is my privilege to be here in Metropolitan University as a nursing instructor so that I can share what I have learned, what I have been taught from my teachers. I can teach my upcoming nurses. Like the phrase is, our nurses, our future. You, the generic BSN, my students are our future. I really appreciate the effort and hard working which you had done, which I can see today. And I want you to keep this alive in your heart each and every day till your entire life. I will do only speech for three words: honesty, love, and respect, which is very important in our life to make someone, to build someone, and to let someone down. A nurse can love someone, can have love in return from another, create respect for him or herself and for the patient. Honesty, which is the biggest tag to all of us. Don't let yourself down and don't try and give chance any another person to be calm and make your profession fruitful. Learn everything, learn good, learn bad, but must resemble the words, the study, the feelings and emotions for the good and for the bad. Always pray to your Allah that He makes you strong, He keeps you safe from evil eyes, evil mind, and evil tongues. Always respect yourself, be honest to yourself, and love yourself. God bless you all and happy Nurses Day from me, from my family. God bless you all and makes you all a fruitful nurses. Thank you.